Hi friends. Today I am going to talk about various domains in the VLSI field. I get many messages from freshers on LinkedIn that they want to start their career in VLSI field. But when I ask them in which domain they want to make their career, then they are speechless. So in this video I am going to cover the major domains in the VLSI field. Description of these domains is based on my experience in VLSI field. As I have mostly worked only in RTL design and integration, so my knowledge may be limited to other field and it based on my interaction with other teams. But I believe that it will enough for freshers to get the glimpse of these domains. I will describe domain based on the SOC or ASIC development cycle. The first team which starts working on any SOC is architecture team. They are guys who decides top-level specifications of the SOC. They analyze the SOC in terms of functionality, hardware-software interaction, power performance, and area trade-offs. Then comes the RTL design team role. They define the microarchitecture for the architecture defined by the architecture team. Here I would like to mention one interview question asked from me, that what is the difference between microarchitecture and architecture. I had answered the interviewer with example of the frequency scaling. Architects define that we have to support the frequency scaling for SOC. That means whenever the design is idle we have to reduce the frequency of operation. But it is the RTL design engineer who defines the microarchitecture for it. We can scale the frequency using clock dividers. And in dividers, what type of divider we have to use, as we can use counter-based or shift register-based divider. These type of decisions are made by RTL design team based on the design specifications, such as frequency of clock, availability of sub-blocks, and schedule of the SOC. Once design team is ready with design, they share the design with design verification and physical design team. In some companies there is separate synthesis team which generate the initial optimized netlist from RTL. Role of the design verification team is to verify the design for specifications defined by the architecture team. Physical design team's role is to convert the RTL code into the physical layout. The layout is used by fabrication team, maybe in same companies such as in Intel, Samsung, or in different as in case of TSMC. There is one more domain called DFT. Their work is to add the infrastructure to test the SOC or ASIC after fabrication. This was the high-level overview of the various domains in VLSI. But there are many subdomains in each domain. I will try to cover these domains in next video where I will describe each domain in details. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, that will motivate me to add more such videos in future.